Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to Fiji, Mr. Kim Jin-hyung, the Deputy Director of Koika in Fiji, our Commissioner Central Division, Mr. Joseph Navuso, Mr. Yoon, our Koika volunteer, senior staff of Koika, the head of Navuso Agricultural Technical Institute, members of the staff, ladies and gentlemen. I'm honored to stand before you today to help oversee and witness the handing over of the Rain Protective Plastic House project, an initiative aimed at fostering economic development in rural communities across Fiji. This project not only enhances educational opportunities at the college, but also supports economic growth in our rural areas. And as mentioned by the head of Navuso Agricultural Technical Institute, so many issues that we are facing as a country. The rural to urban drift, the drug issues that crowds the headlines of our dailies. All these points to an issue that we need to all work together to help employ our young people. And the primary objective of this initiative is to promote economic development within rural communities through the establishment of rain protective plastic houses. These structures will facilitate the cultivation of specific vegetable crops, thereby targeting the local municipal markets and ensuring sustainable income generation. I acknowledge Koika's investment of approximately $31,000 into this project. This investment is a testament to the objectives of providing educational opportunities, generating income and creating employment in rural communities, thereby achieving a substantial return on investment. On the same note, I also extend acknowledgement to this great partnership between NATI, Koika, Ministry of Agriculture, and the Ministry of Rural Maritime Development and Disaster Management, which helps support the implementation of this project, and it is a success story we see firsthand today. In rural Fiji, climate change has led to increasingly unpredictable crop harvest timings, resulting in fluctuating agricultural prices. During harvest seasons, prices plummet, causing farmers to sell their produce at reduced rates or even to discard surplus crops. Conversely, during non-harvest periods, scarcity drives up vegetable prices, particularly during the rainy season, exacerbating income instability for farmers. To tackle these challenges, it is crucial for agricultural experts to adopt advanced technologies. This includes constructing customized plastic houses optimized for vegetable cultivation and efficient crop management to consistently yield high-quality produce. Additionally, introducing new high-value vegetable crops tailored to local market preferences is essential. This project is a result of the dedicated efforts of Koika volunteers and Navuso Technical Institute members who have collaboratively worked to create a venture that benefits us all. The rain protective plastic house will not only supply valuable vegetables, but also support local farmers in increasing their income. I commend the project team for their tireless dedication and commitment to transforming this concept into a reality. Their passion ensures that the rain protective plastic house will undoubtedly succeed. Today, we also learned that this adaptive agricultural model has plans to be replicated in the provinces of Tailevu and Namosi, targeting our youth and women's groups as their sources of livelihood and, importantly, addressing food security issues in the rural communities. As a way to sustain this agricultural model, plans have been underway to integrate this into our ministry's program, and that is self-help income generating and rural and outer island program, to name a few. And as we officially launch this project today, let us strive to contribute in every way possible whether by spreading awareness about the opportunities it offers or by providing our expertise and guidance. I am confident that the rain-protective plastic house model will not only thrive as a business venture, but also inspires pride in our community. Let us all unite in supporting this project to ensure its success for the benefit of all. And with these words, I extend my gratitude and congratulations to the project team on this remarkable achievement. Thank you. Kamsahamnida. Nazawaleo.
Honorable Sakiasi Ditoka, the Minister for Rural and Maritime Development of Fiji, and Ms. Lee Ji-soo, the Deputy Director of KOICA Fiji Office, and Mr. Yoon Kyung-soo, with the KOICA Fiji volunteer, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bula, namaste. Today is a proud moment as we gather to celebrate the completion of a project that demonstrates the close friendship between Korea and Fiji. I extend a warm welcome to the Honorable Sakiasi Ditoka. His presence today shows how important this project is and highlight his support and leadership in promoting rural development in Fiji. I extend my congratulations and appreciation to Mr. Kyung-soo Yoon, our KOICA Project Fiji volunteer. His hard work and commitment have brought this project to success. This new plastic greenhouse at Navuso Agricultural Technical Institute is more than just a building. It symbolizes the shared value and aspiration of Fiji and Korea. Fiji's economy heavily relies on agriculture, and institutes like Navuso play an important role in educating future agricultural leaders. This new greenhouse will provide students with valuable hands-on experience in modern farming techniques. Furthermore, the project also includes an electrical vending machine which can be used by the local public on a higher basis. This initiative may seem small, but we believe that it will support local communities and their skill development. Taking this opportunity, I would like to thank the Commissioner Central Office for their support toward Mr. Yoon project. It highlights the importance of collaboration, and such partnership will help address rural challenges and enhance the quality of life of Fijians. This project also underscores the importance of KOICA's mission in fostering international cooperation through volunteerism. Mr. Yoon's work here in Fiji, it is a shining example of how one individual's contributions can lead to meaningful change. As we inaugurate this greenhouse today, I would like to emphasize that we can achieve great progress together through mutual respect and cooperation. In fact, there are many greenhouses in Korea. They have played a crucial role in developing rural area of Korea. These greenhouses supply fresh vegetable and fruit throughout the year, promoting both health and economic growth. Today, I would like to propose naming this newly structured plastic house the K Greenhouse. As it has done in Korea, I hope this K greenhouse could support the development of rural area in Fiji and enhance the overall health of the Fijian people. Furthermore, I sincerely hope that this K greenhouse can be widely adopted in Fiji for the benefit of Fijian people across the country. In closing, I extend my sincere gratitude to Navuso Agricultural Technology Institute and the Commissioner Central Office for their cooperation and support. And most importantly, to Mr. Kyung-Soo Yoon for his dedication and hard work. Please give him a great applause. Once again, I would like to thank Honorable Ditoka for his kind presence here today. And Korea and Fiji are the partners growing together. Binaka, thank you.